Hello, and welcome to another update video about Bonk, which is likely still in this wave 4 correction, and we might need to, we might see one more low here on the Bonk chart. Obviously, the idea is the wave 4 is running, is unfolding. Support starts here. The next major support area for wave 4 starts at 132.423. We might reach that level. Actually, in fact, we might actually see the price go slightly below the previous low, because the wave count here suggests that this was a third wave top, which formed in March. Wave W to the downside, an X wave to the upside, and then a Y wave down, which is an A, B, C structure, and the C wave is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At least this is sort of what I'm tracking right now. This can easily change because we're dealing with corrective patterns in the primary wave count. Now, in the alternative scenario, the wave 4 bottomed here, okay, already, and we've seen a wave 1 to the upside, and this is an A, B, C in wave 2, but it moved down a little bit too low for a reliable wave 2, but still possible. So this would be the direct bullish wave count. In this scenario, however, I would need to see a break above 219160, because this was the communicated resistance area and it is still holding. You can see that the market rallied into resistance and got rejected at the 50% retracement level there, which is sort of the, let's say, maximum a wave 4 should really do. A wave 4 corrective bounce, which means the market is respecting currently the parameters. A couple of days ago, what day is it actually? It's the 7th. Okay, yeah, 2 days ago, just after the crash we had, the suggestion, the indication, the forecast was that the price is on its way into this larger support zone for a wave 4, and that we would need another 4-5 pattern. You see it here on the chart. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. That we would need another 4-5 pattern to complete wave C of Y of 4. Resistance was specified, and bear in mind that a C wave, which started here when the B wave topped a week ago or so, a C wave is a 5-wave move. So we would generally assume that it's forming the 5 waves. Of course, it could form a reversal early. That's why we're tracking resistance. So if resistance then breaks, we have our evidence that we likely might not get another low. But until that resistance area breaks, we go with the most probable pattern, which would be a 5-wave move down in wave C. Now let's go back to the Bonk chart. And here you can see actually how nicely the market rallied into resistance, getting rejected there now, and we might see that one more low. Now, what are the two pathways then? So in one, we go down lower more directly and could find support at 132.423 next. This would be what I'm assuming until I get evidence that something different is going on. So I've got my base case, but I'm willing to listen to the market. Bear in mind, we're not telling the market what it needs to do. We are simply following the market, right? Like soldiers following a king, right? So the king is basically simply giving us the direction, okay? And we just follow, and we know when the direction is changed by looking at support and resistance, okay? So it's just simply following price action. It is very, very simple. It's not necessarily easy, but simple. So we've got our resistance area there. So we know that most likely something more bullish is unfolding if this happens. So if the chart is now forming a higher low in this pullback and breaks above exactly this high, then I would not see this anymore as the yellow roadmap. I would then think, okay, we probably have seen a 1-2. This is now a third wave. We should then get another 4-5 and go higher more directly in a bullish way. But that's not my base case. The market would need to convince me of it. And how can it do that? Well, by breaking above resistance. So hopefully that's clear. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.